Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope we're doing well. For those of you who are new here in my channel, my name is Samways and I am makeup artist. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do this full makeup look. So I already have my skin and my brows done. I'm going to leave the links here in the card for you guys. Now I'm going to show you how to do this eye makeup look. So I do have a little bit of lip stain and also a little bit of mascara in my lashes from the previous video that I was doing. I tried to remove best as I can, but as you can see, I still have a little bit. So let's just ignore it and start off this video. So the first thing I'm gonna do is apply a good eyeshadow base, and for today's tutorial I'm gonna use the Soft Ochre Paint Spot by MAC, one of my favorite eyeshadow base ever, and I'm gonna apply this product using a concealer brush. And next I'm gonna use the Ultimate Artistry eyeshadow palette by BH Cosmetics. I love this palette so much because it has a lot of different and beautiful colorful shades and also has some neutral shades. So look at these beautiful colors, and I'm gonna start off using this. So I'm gonna start off using this nude shade below my brows to highlight a little bit, and next I'm gonna use this warm brown eyeshadow all over the crease and a little bit in the lower lash line as well. So with a shader brush, I'm gonna apply this nude eyeshadow below my brows. And now with a fluffy brush, I'm gonna apply a warm brown eyeshadow in my crease and a little bit here in the outer corner of my eyes. And what is left in the brush, I'm gonna apply in the lower lash line as well as I did in this side, and this will be my transition shade. So I'm gonna work this shade in circular motions, and I wanna create a big cat eye effect. So I'm gonna just blend the shade, what is left in the brush, here to the outside. So I think this warm brown eyeshadow is too red, so I'm gonna apply just a little bit of this shade right here on top, just to change the color a little bit. Now I'm gonna apply a black eyeshadow from the same palette, and I'm gonna apply this color first in the outer corner of my eyes, and what is left in the brush I'm gonna bring to the lower lash line as well. And now I'm gonna apply the start of the show, this beautiful gold shade. And now to make this look even more dramatic, I'm gonna apply a gel liner. So I'm gonna line my eyes, I'm gonna apply a little bit here in the tear duct area as well. And I'm gonna also apply this gel liner in the waterline. And to apply this gel liner, I'm gonna use this little brush right here. The gel liner that I'm using today are from BH Cosmetics, and this is the shade Little Black Dress. Okay, so I just applied my fake lashes, and this is Wispy is Real Good by Velour Lashes. I love these lashes so much. They are so fluffy and wispy and gives me this cat eye effects that I love so much. So now that I have my skin finished already, I'm gonna apply just a little bit of bronzer, and this is by Milani in the shade by Amore. I love this color so much. In my skin it looks so good, so I'm gonna apply it with a powder brush. Now I'm gonna apply highlighter, and this is Marilyn by BH Cosmetics. Is a light gold shade, is amazing. So I'm gonna apply just a little bit of this product. So now to finish off this look, I'm gonna apply in my lips a moisturizer, and this is not by Farsáli. This is my DIY that I used, the Farsáli tube, because my rose gold elixir is already finished, so I did mine on DIY, and it's basically the same thing. So I'm gonna link here for you guys in the cards, and this is what I'm gonna use to moisturize my lips. As you can see, it looks the same and it's basically the same. So I'm gonna use a little drop in my lips. Now I'm gonna use a lip liner, and this is by Melt Cosmetics. This is the shade Modest. Is a nude lip liner. You can use any lip liner that you want. And for my lipstick, I'm gonna use the liquid lipstick. This is by Too Faced in the Melted collection, and this is Child Star. I love this color so much, and it's a nice nude shade because everybody can wear it, so I really recommend for you to try. I love this color, and I'm gonna apply so you can see how it looks. First, I'm gonna use just a little lip liner to define my lips a little bit. So I gotta remove a little bit of the, like this. So you can leave it like this. It's so beautiful already, but I'm gonna apply just in the center of my lips a little bit of lip gloss, and I'm gonna use this gold that I made in my DIY. I'm gonna leave the links here for you guys as well. So this is my lip gloss. Look how thick it is, and I love it because it's not sticky. So I'm gonna apply just a little bit in the center of my lips. Ooh, this is so pigmented as well. So I'm gonna remove a little bit with the tip of my fingers. So that's it, my lovies, for this dramatic makeup tutorial. This gold shade is so stunning, is amazing, and I am in love with this look. So I hope that you enjoy much as I did. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you later in the next tutorials. Just please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you still didn't. Hit the notification bell to make sure that I get all the news when I upload it, and also like this video if you did. And one more little thing, leave me in the comments what you want to see next in my channel, and I see you later in the next tutorials. Bye!